All right, guys, we're back on day 4 of the current water feature we're working on right now. You can see the guys have got quite a bit of the job already done. It's a meandering about 25-foot long stream waterfalls down to a pond. One of the next steps we're going to be working on is putting some large chunks of landing stone that are going to cantilever over the edge of this pond. You see we added one little extra twist to this pond, holding on a little spillway bowl, falling off into the shallow area. This is where the dogs are going to be able to come in and out of the pond through shallow water. It's pretty cool. Over here, we've got our skimmer mounted. This is our pump set. We've got a nice convenient box. It's got all of our valves in it to control our water flow from our stream to the bowl. It's got our dosing system in it. Follow me up the edge of the stream once to see what kind of a drink these guys came up with. It was pretty awesome. You can see on some of this stuff on our waterfalls, the idea was to have our main fall coming through here, and we created a little extra little side fall on the side. Same things you see out in Mother Nature doing. Working way up the stream a little further, we used the rock called aqua blue boulders on this. Really cool rock. The stream is going to come right along the edge of this wall, which will eventually get a capstone on it. It'll be a seat wall the owners will sit on. Right behind them will be that flowing water. So pretty cool, pretty interactive. You see the guys up on the top starting to tie in all the stuff in the back. So things are coming along great. We'll come back in a few days and see the finished product.